Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Skylar with Western Material Handling. Today we're here excited to test drive stock number D21237. Compact and cute little thing, good running, 2005 Hyster S40FTS. It's a short wheelbase, it's a 4,000 pound capacity on a 3,000 pound chassis. It's very tight, very nimble. It's equipped with a 80-inch trucker's mast, good for loading and unloading semi-trucks. Has a 42-inch pallet fork, side shift carriage, full LED light package, has traction, cushion tires, has a good running LP gas engine with an automatic transmission, has had recent repairs and a new PM service. You can check out this forklift online at embeddedforklift.com or stop by either store in Commerce City, Fort Collins, or Torrington, Wyoming. Thank you for watching.